idea is that we need to go for the second choice here. Okay, hello guys, happy Tuesday. So as we discussed on Monday, interesting facts about the day of the week. Today is the Tuesday. I am Jayho and I'm just gonna share with you the very interesting fact about the Tuesday. Accountants made the survey about the Tuesday. Tuesday became as one of the productive day of the week. Why is that? The reason and the answer for this is that the Monday is very much stressful day and everyone is shooting negativity left and right through emails, morning briefings, with all these talks, gossips. We tend not to focus on our stuff. That's why we try to eliminate all the stress and get reply the things that nothing to do with us. Once we finish on Monday, Tuesday, we're busy with our own stuff. So that's why it's very much productive day of the week. But the most interesting part of the Tuesday is that whenever you want to apply to a new job, Tuesday is the perfect day of the week that you need to send your CV, because you have a high probability that the person on the other side will reply to you or get to the interview day for the next day. But apart from that, guys, we need to focus the whole week as a productive week. We don't need to put high priority on the Tuesday because this is the, as per the survey, it is on the Tuesday is the high productive day. No, we need to set the boundaries and how to manage our week. If we set the tone positive, it will continue and make a snowball effect. If you don't set a nice note for the week and with the morning rituals and everything that you do, definitely you will screw up your week. So that's why your priority is the utmost important thing for you. Whenever you come on Monday, you need to apply the same tactics that I talk on Monday throughout the week. We need to socialize with the people early in the morning, come a little bit earlier, make your coffee, talk to the people, get eliminated some of the talks already early in the morning, give them very nice vibe. Even the person who's gonna lead the meeting, talk to him, maybe give some good vibes to him. So whenever you go to the morning briefing, you have a very nice atmosphere. This is the first. Second, having a coffee drink with having a talk with the departments will set the day for you as well, for others as well. You will get the tasks done already. Some of the tasks will be done. Let's say you go to the marketing department and the marketing person will say that, oh, I just, it's good that you came, or we had this project launch and should we put ad on this thing? I wanted to get your idea. I was about to write you email, and you get the answer right away and we finish the topic on the spot. You don't need to come and get another 2 emails from this lady. He's gonna send you the only the backup email. That's it. Otherwise, it will be like 5 emails back and forth, and you never get reached to the conclusion. So that's why the morning ritual is the key, and it's gonna keep you utmost productive whole week. So put the boundaries for every day to keep the productivity throughout the week. It's not about the surveys and the statistics that I'm sharing and interesting fact, but actually it is you who will be dominating the productivity level of the week. It depends on you, how you set. You need to find out your own rituals, how to make the day utmost productive day. For me, for example, as I told you, I'm not opening the email for an hour and trying to sort it out my stuff and to understand what the decisions and that needs to be done early in the morning, and then I move to the next stuff. And sometimes there are emails that supposed not to be sent to you, or you are in the copy. You can eliminate those ones, talk to the people, okay, and calling them and just stopping some of the things right away, and get most out of the day. Tuesday is your day. Smile and let's move to the Wednesday. Take care, guys, and I will catch you on a Wednesday. Take care. Bye.